Ever wondered what you can do in Zurich in just one day? Welcome to a city where history meets modernity, culture intertwines with scenic beauty, and every corner whispers a tale of its own. Yes, we're talking about Zurich, the vibrant heart of Switzerland. In the next few minutes, we're going to time travel through an ideal one-day itinerary in Zurich. From the cobblestoned lanes of the Old Town to the shimmering waters of Lake Zurich, we'll soak in the city's charm and uncover its hidden gems. We'll marvel at the age-old exhibits at the Swiss National Museum and later indulge in a shopping spree at Bahnhofstrasse. As the sun dips, we'll dive into Zurich's buzzing nightlife, sampling the city's gastronomic delights. This isn't just about ticking off the tourist spots. It's about experiencing Zurich in its full glory, tracing its past, celebrating its present, and dreaming its future. So buckle up. Get ready to embark on a journey through one of the world's most captivating cities. Start your day in the heart of Zurich, the Old Town or Altstadt. This district is the historical core of the city, a testament to Zurich's rich history that dates back to before Roman times. As the sun rises, the Old Town awakens, revealing its timeless charm. Here, the past and present seamlessly blend, with centuries-old buildings standing tall amidst modern establishments. The architecture is a sight to behold, from the medieval houses to the grand guild halls. These structures are adorned with intricate details and are a showcase of remarkable craftsmanship. Walking through the narrow, winding cobblestone streets is like stepping back in time, each turn revealing another layer of Zurich's storied past. Among the must-visit landmarks is the Grossmünster, an imposing Romanesque-style Protestant church. Legend has it that Charlemagne himself founded this church, making it a significant part of Zurich's religious and political history. Just across the Limmat River, you'll find the Fraumünster, another iconic church known for its stunning stained glass windows designed by the renowned artist Marc Chagall. Each window tells a story, a colourful narrative that captivates and inspires. Then, there's St. Peter's Church, home to the largest clock face in Europe. With a diameter of over 8 meters, it's a sight that's hard to miss. This church, with its rich history and magnificent clock, is a symbol of Zurich's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing progress. As you wander around, you'll be enveloped by the morning ambience, the soft chimes of church bells, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from local bakeries, and the quiet hum of the city waking up. The Old Town in the morning is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that is uniquely Zurich. All these experiences create an immersive journey through time, a walk through the pages of Zurich's history, and an exploration of its cultural heart. As you soak in the atmosphere, you'll understand why the Old Town is more than just a place. It's a living, breathing narrative of Zurich's past and present. A morning in Old Town sets the perfect tone for the day ahead. From Old Town, make your way to the stunning Lake Zurich. As you step towards the water, you're immediately taken aback by the sheer beauty of the lake. Nestled in the heart of the city, Lake Zurich offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. The lake is a captivating sight, with its crystal-clear waters reflecting the sky above. The distant mountains create a mesmerizing backdrop, their snow-capped peaks standing tall and proud. The early morning sun dances on the water, creating a shimmering path that seems to lead straight to these majestic peaks. While you're here, don't miss out on the chance to take a boat ride. Feel the breeze in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the gentle sway of the boat as you glide across the water. You can also feed the swans that gracefully float on the surface, their white feathers contrasting beautifully with the blue of the lake. Or perhaps you'd prefer to simply sit by the lake, soaking in the view. There's a certain tranquility here that invites you to pause and breathe, to appreciate the moment. Feeling peckish? Head over to Swiss Chuchi. This charming restaurant serves traditional Swiss brunch, perfect to satiate your hunger after a morning spent exploring. Lake Zurich is a serene spot to relax and rejuvenate before heading to the next destination. So take a moment, breathe in the fresh air, and let the peacefulness of the lake wash over you. Post-lunch, head to the Swiss National Museum for an enriching experience. This isn't just any ordinary museum, it's the heartbeat of Swiss culture, history, and heritage. a treasure trove that reveals the rich tapestry that is Switzerland. The Swiss National Museum, or Landsmuseum as it's locally known, is more than a mere collection of artifacts. It's a journey that begins in prehistoric times, meanders through the Middle Ages, and culminates in the present day. The museum's extensive collection is a testament to the diverse and vibrant cultural history of Switzerland. Every artifact, every exhibit tells a story, painting a vivid picture of Swiss life through the ages. But the museum isn't only about what's inside. It's a sight in itself. The architecture is a mesmerizing blend of old and new. The original building, a castle-like structure, is a classic example of historicist style, while the modern extension, with its sleek lines and minimalist design, represents the contemporary Swiss aesthetics. It's a visual metaphor of the country's seamless blend of tradition and innovation. And let's not forget about the museum's library. Housing more than 200,000 volumes, it's one of the most significant Swiss history libraries in the world. So if you're a bookworm, you're in for a treat. An afternoon at the Swiss National Museum is an afternoon well spent, immersing in Swiss history and culture. As the day comes to a close, it's time for some retail therapy at Bahnhofstrasse. Bahnhofstrasse is more than just a shopping street. It's a symbol of Zurich's grandeur and elegance. Stretched out from Zurich Hauptbahnhof, the city's main railway station, all the way to Lake Zurich Bahnhofstrasse, is one of the world's most exclusive shopping avenues. The allure of Bahnhofstrasse lies in its high-end boutiques and international fashion labels. Here you'll find the glittering storefronts of global luxury brands like Burberry, Prada, and Louis Vuitton, rubbing shoulders with distinguished Swiss watchmakers such as Rolex and Patek Philippe. Each store is a world unto itself, offering a unique shopping experience that is both intimate and extravagant. But it's not just about the fashion. Bahnhofstrasse is also home to a number of exquisite jewelry stores, where you can admire the craftsmanship of Swiss jewelers and perhaps even take home a sparkling souvenir. And let's not forget about the chocolate. Switzerland is famous for its chocolate, and Bahnhofstrasse is no exception. Here, you'll find both traditional and modern chocolatiers, offering a mouth-watering assortment of Swiss chocolates that are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. But you don't have to break the bank to enjoy Bahnhofstrasse. The avenue is a paradise for window shoppers, with beautifully decorated window displays that change with the seasons. A stroll down Bahnhofstrasse is a visual feast, offering a taste of the Swiss luxury lifestyle. As you wander down the street, don't forget to look up and admire the architecture. Many of the buildings along Bahnhofstrasse date back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, offering a glimpse into Zurich's past amidst the modernity of the shopping avenue. So, whether you're looking to indulge in some luxury shopping or simply want to soak up the atmosphere, Bahnhofstrasse has something for everyone. It's more than just a shopping destination. It's a place where luxury, charm, and Swiss elegance come together to create an unforgettable experience. Bahnhofstrasse offers a perfect blend of luxury, charm, and Swiss elegance. End the day with a delightful dinner and a taste of Zurich's vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, the city's dining scene comes alive, offering a tantalizing range of local and international cuisines. Make sure to try the city's signature dish, Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, a creamy concoction of sliced veal, mushrooms, and a hint of white wine. For seafood lovers, perch fillets from Lake Zurich are a must-try. Zurich's gastronomic delights can be savoured at places like the historic Zeughauskeller or the trendier Hiltel, known for its innovative vegetarian fare. After dinner, it's time to discover the city's nightlife. From the spectacular views at the Jules Verne Panorama Bar to the pulsating beats at Hive Club, there's something for every night owl in Zurich. Perhaps you'll find yourself sipping on a cocktail, taking in the city's glittering skyline, or dancing the night away to the rhythm of live music. With a hearty meal and a taste of Zurich's nightlife, you'll end the day on a high note. And that, dear travelers, is a day well spent in Zurich. From the moment we embarked on our journey with the break of dawn, we've traversed the very essence of this city. We kicked off the day by getting lost in the winding lanes of the old town, immersing ourselves in its rich history and architectural marvels. As the sun rose higher, we found ourselves by the serene Lake Zurich, its tranquility setting the tone for the rest of our day. By afternoon, we were exploring the Swiss National Museum, delving into the cultural heritage of this proud nation. And as the day turned to evening, we indulged in a shopping spree at Bahnhofstrasse, renowned for its luxury stores and boutiques. The night brought with it a culinary adventure, coupled with a vibrant nightlife, a perfect end to a perfect day. Zurich offers a blend of history, culture, nature, and luxury, all in just one day. So when are you planning your day in Zurich?